Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 2. Write the additive inverse of each of the following. That is 2 by 8. The additive inverse. The additive inverse. The additive. The additive. Inverse. The additive inverse of 2 by 8 is minus 2 by 8. Number 2. The additive inverse. The additive. The additive inverse. The additive inverse of minus 5 by 9. Minus 5 by 9 is 5 by 9. Now 3. The additive inverse. The additive inverse of minus 6 by minus 5. Minus 6 by minus 5 is minus 6 by 5. Question number 4. The additive inverse. The additive inverse. The additive inverse of 2 by minus 9 is 2 by 9. Question number 5. The additive inverse. The additive inverse of 19 by minus 6 is 19 by 6. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.